Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. One of my friends has just moved into a new house. His new house is smaller than his old house. So I said to him, "Where are you going to put all of your furniture or furnitures?" Which word is correct? Where are you going to put all of your furniture or furnitures? The answer is furniture. Why? Because in English, furniture is an uncountable noun. We don't say one furniture, two furnitures, three furnitures. Furniture means all furniture. You can have items of furniture. You can have a table, chair, chest of drawers, sideboard, wardrobe. You can have different items of furniture, but if you're talking about all furniture, it's uncountable, it's furniture on its own. So I said to my friend, "Where are you going to put all of your furniture?" And he said, "I might have to sell some." Actually, he's got some nice pieces. I might buy one or two. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.